In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Yahoo email to Gmail. To begin, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account where you want your Yahoo messages and contacts to be imported. It is best to do this on a computer because the settings menu is easier to find and navigate than it is on most mobile apps. Once you are in your Gmail inbox, look to the upper right area of the page. You will see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon to open a quick settings panel. This panel gives you access to a few common options, but for importing email from another provider, you will need the full settings page. In the settings panel, find and click See All Settings. This will take you to the main Gmail settings screen, where you can manage important account features, including importing mail from other services. Across the top of the settings page, you will see several tabs. Click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section is specifically designed for connecting other email addresses and managing how mail is brought into your Gmail account. Now, within Accounts and Import, look for the option that says Import Mail and Contacts. Click that option to start the import process. At this point, Gmail will begin guiding you through connecting your Yahoo account so it can copy over your existing emails and, if you choose, your contacts. Follow the prompts that appear on screen carefully and enter the Yahoo account information requested by the import window. A helpful tip is to keep this Gmail tab open while the import setup runs and avoid refreshing the page unless the prompt asks you to. Depending on how much mail you have in Yahoo, the import can take some time to complete. Also, be sure you are signed in to the correct Gmail account before you start, because the import will bring content into the account you are currently using. Once you have reached the import option and started the process, you have successfully initiated importing Yahoo email into Gmail. And that is all there is to it.